I feel happy. I feel happy.
I feel thankful. I feel thankful.
I feel strong. I feel strong.
I feel cold. I feel cold.
I feel creative. I feel creative. I feel shy. I feel shy.
I feel angry. I feel angry. I feel calm. I feel calm.
I feel scared. I feel scared. I feel sick.
I feel sick.
I feel lonely. I feel lonely.
I feel bored. I feel bored. I feel busy. I feel busy.
I feel happy with my friends.
I feel happy with my friends. I feel important. I feel important.
I feel like dancing.
I feel like dancing.
I feel scared in the dark. I feel scared in the dark. I feel surprised. I feel surprised.
I feel awake. I feel awake. I feel silly. I feel silly. I feel warm. I feel warm. I feel relaxed. I feel relaxed.
I feel excited for my birthday.
I feel excited for my birthday. I feel confused. I feel confused. I feel ready. I feel ready.
I feel smart. I feel smart. I feel great today. I feel great today.
I feel excited. I feel excited.
I feel excited. I feel excited.
I feel nervous. I feel nervous. I feel good. I feel good.
I feel lucky. I feel lucky. I feel loved.
I feel loved.
I feel like reading a book. I feel like reading a book. I feel safe. I feel safe. I feel curious.
I feel curious.
I feel nervous at school. I feel nervous at school.
I feel quiet. I feel quiet. I feel brave. I feel brave.
I feel sad. I feel sad. I feel tired. I feel tired. I feel proud of myself. I feel proud of myself. I feel like drawing.
I feel like drawing. I feel sleepy after lunch. I feel sleepy after lunch.
I feel better now. I feel better now. I feel proud. I feel proud.
I feel funny when I wear costumes. I feel funny when I wear costumes.
I feel playful.
I feel playful.
I feel nice when I help others.
I feel nice when I help others.
I feel okay. I feel okay. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. If you enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon, share it with your friends, and let me know in the comments what you thought. See you in the next one.